Female protagonist, Vice City, social media, real money, our virtual world. Ah shit.
Here we go again.
That's all. 13 years later, that's all we have. One trailer and no official release date of GTA 6. I mean, a lot has happened before GTA 6, but one question still remains: when will GTA 6 drop? If leaks and rumors are to be believed, there are two dates that are circulating on the internet. It can either launch on September 17th or on October 28th. But that's not all that leaks have suggested. So let me tell you about 3 crazy GTA 6 leaks that I have come through on the internet. Out of so many leaks, one of the wildest leak was the meta integration. It is expected that this time GTA 6 will allow gamers to create and modify their own experience within the game world. This is somewhat similar to Fortnite or Roblox or maybe Ready Player One. Great movie. Another word on the grapevine is that GTA 6 can become a source of income.
What?
Yes, it can allow players to turn the in-game money into real money using cryptocurrencies in the game.
Get out of here.
Now, I don't know how true it is, but I feel if it happens, it's going to be a disaster. And lastly, one more leak hinted at a project named Rome. It suggests that GTA 6 might feature map updates similar to Fortnite. This could mean that the game world will evolve over time, keeping the experience fresh and engaging for players. Well, these were some big leaks that have come through on the internet. Now let's talk about what Rockstar Games has officially confirmed about the game. First things first, the game will return to the legendary location Vice City, and this is not the same Vice City that we have seen in the GTA Vice City. This will be a lot bigger map, twice as large as GTA 5's map. In the trailer, we have seen people posting videos on their social media, so I am guessing GTA 6 can have its own Instagram, WhatsApp and God knows what else. But what would be more fascinating is that whether GTA 6 will allow you to become an influencer and popular among other players. While you might not be as popular in the real world, you could definitely become a well-known figure in GTA 6 universe online. And the content will be way more wild in GTA 6, obviously. Rockstar Games has promised that GTA 6 will be the biggest and most immersive game in the series yet. It will feature more interior location than any previous GTA game and will regularly add new missions and cities. And it will also be a game that you would want to play alone because the strip clubs are going to be really realistic, if you know what I mean.
I got you, homie.
Lucia, do you know why you're here?
Bad luck, I guess.
Another thing that we know for sure that this time it's going to be a female protagonist named Lucia along with her boyfriend Jason. The trailer reveals that Lucia and her partner will commit various crimes in GTA 6 including Clyde-style heist and more. As they roam around through Vice City, they face rival gangs, corrupted officials and unexpected allies, and that's how they build their criminal empire, something that we have seen in every GTA game. So this was GTA 6 so far based on leaks, rumors, reports and official announcements. Rockstar Games has officially confirmed that it will drop in autumn this year, which can be between September and November. So if you are really excited about GTA 6, I would suggest you get yourself a PS5, an Xbox X or an Xbox S if you don't already have one, because GTA 6 won't be available on PCs initially. And lastly, the best open world game is going to cost you a lot.
Here comes the money!
Here we go.
GTA 6 is expected to be priced at around 10,000 rupees in India, which is the most expensive GTA title so far. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more GTA 6 updates. Bye.